Okay, hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Happy Angel Reading, and today reading is for this is a collective, and especially if you find this video, there's a message that you need to hear. No, maybe you've been undergoing some hardship, or there's a spiritual awakening within you. No, so this is you came here for you to be able to know what is your current journey. Okay, so let's have some opening. Okay, so let's read this copy ground for you. Okay, as you could see inside the cup, there's a very dark and fine copy ground coating the bottom sides here. And this is also on the left. As you could see, there's a thick grounds there. No, as you could see in this image, I could see here a pregnant woman, and the bottom could say also that is your, let's say, your past energy. Parang I've seen some pregnant woman shape in the bottom of the coffee ground here. This is could also interpreting representing a past relationship, or let's say this is a pathway to your persons, or this is a pathway to your situations. No, this is, I could also see here the pattern here is ano no, parang a sign to show you on the bottom of the part here, and this could also, let's say, a little bit emotionally from the recent past of what you've been experiencing. Parang what is you've been experiencing at the present moment still connected on your present right now, because as you could see there's a passage here, or there's a path that is very clear until your present and your future disconnected. So we could say here that this pregnant woman, we could say this is a pregnant woman, means that is a beginning. And as you could see, there's a gap here that could be his child, no? Or let's say that is ideas on you, or let's say there's an idea coming from the past that is about, parang you are about to meet them. Parang this is a child who this is a woman uh, who is being actually separated with, as you could see, three, no, with child, with him child, or maybe we could also say here na you got lots of idea, no, that you're about near to get in touch with him, or you're a mother looking for your kids or for your child, no. I've seen here there's a three ideas that's been about to exist here, and you are carrying that on your present moment, no? And that still did. Parang these ideas will help you until the future, no? And as you could see here, parang a pregnant woman that is actually he's been parang he's given birth, no? Parang with those energy is about to progress. No, this is also symbolize a new beginning and developing idea, or let's say project, or let's say a phase of life. So being in the present, this is also development is actively occurring, or it's very imminent. No, this is also a potential growth and something being nurtured right now. And this is also connected with the path here, as you could see, connected with your path on the present, which is because in the middle, and parang you find a real fat here, you find both, you actually think of a two ways to be able to carry this idea, no? You got the waist there, you got the waist here, and you got the pot here. You got the pot there, and you got the pot here, no? Very clear energy, no? So I hope na I'm not the only one seeing this image, and also you. And as you could see, there's a pace, no? That energy, or let's say that idea came very emotionally to you before that was being evolved to you. It's very tough to you. It's very, you've been experienced lots of emotional to be able to actually to that idea came into appetitions, or to be able to have that idea, you've experienced a lot of emotional struggle, or let's say emotional hardship from the past, no? So connected with the path is generally that is as your journey, that is the directions, or a course of an actions. So if the pregnant woman is connected, it is also telling that this is a new development is leading somewhere, or that is the part of a larger trajectory into your life. So it is also implies a sense of movement, or let's say it's progressing, no? So as you could see, thick copy blocking, no? There's a thick copy here blocking, no? This one is blocking. No, this one is blocking. So that is the challenge. That is the key challenge element into this, into your journey. This is a heavy grounds, no? So this symbolize some obstacle or difficulties, or let's say you have some confusions or things that are currently unclear or unresolved. So the blocking here, this is a aspect of explicitity, points to as something hindering or impeding the smooth flow of this path. Or let's say this is a realizations to a new development, no? So it's combine, let's combine here, no? So the new beginning with the current obstacle, you are currently in the place where something significant and a new developing, which is the pregnant woman. This is a new development clearly tied up to the future, and that is the path or a journey you are embarking on. However, there's a significant challenge and confusions, or let's say some unresolved issue. So the thick coffee here, which is here, the thick coffee here, that are currently hindering. It's the smooth progress of the clarity of the path forward. It's just like you're trying to find your kids, no? It's you're trying to find what is that idea, no? Because I'm not telling here this is a pregnant woman who gave birth to those idea, no? Okay, so doesn't make sense. As you could see here, and this is also a shape of a fish. As you could see, there's a tail there, no? There's a tail there. So you've been into that emotional or maybe hardship or bottom, or let's say rock to bottom, and that idea exists to you, no? So why? Because when we are in a hardship, there's the health, no? Parang you see there's a parang you're into a really deep contemplations that time when that idea exists. You're really on the hardship that time. That's why parang that is a heaven sent. That is a guidance. Maybe that is a help coming from God, no? Na you're really parang this is what is need to be done for you to be successful, or to be able to have that to grow on that or to be able to nurture that idea, no? Being a mother here, a pregnant woman, as we could see here. And as you could see here, uh, as I told you, that the thick path that is the currently hindering, parang it's a smooth progress, or let's say clarity of the path, no, to move forward. And as you could see, there's a little bit potential delay or unresolved issue. No, the potential of this new beginning is a great, but it is might be experiencing a little bit delay or difficulties. No. But yeah, I think, but this is very hard and difficult challenge for you. No. Parang why? Because maybe with your frustrations, or because that blockage really keep you stagnant to make an actions here. So the new beginning is great, but it might be experiencing a little bit delay or difficulty in fully manifesting due to your current circumstances, or let's say you feel very heavy, or it's still unclear. So you might feel sense of anticipations, but also frustrations because of this blockage. No, so you need to clear the way. You need to clear this way. No, you need to clear this way. But you are on the right path actually, no? You didn't think of other path na. You are meant to do this. Parang it's inevitable that you are about to reach your goal, or let's say you're about to to be successful in any plan that you got, no? As we could see here, there's an internal versus external block here, no? Internal block and external block here. So the T copy, this represent external challenge, as I said, or this is other people that might block, or let's say this is a timing that you need to wait, or let's say wait for the divine timing, or let's say wait for the sign that could be also help you to be able to fight that blockage, or let's say because that blockage might be surpassed also, it might be swept away because this is a copy grounds, as you could see the energy of this. It's so now you could relate that the energy is keep on changing and keep on changing, no? So just always remember, do not have confidence on yourself, and have some, and do not self doubt, okay? And experience that, navigate that journey, because this is your journey. There's a little bit some problem on that, there's a little bit scattered energy, that is just the blockage. So if you're gonna actually stop on that, parang you're not moving. So what the spirit guides want you to do actually is to continue on your journey even there's a blockage, or if you feel that the situations is not going on smoothly, that is the part of your journey. So welcome it, no? Open para open your arms to have this experience, to have that challenge. That blockage will just you will gonna be surprised that that blockage will turn it into a smoothly pathway, no? So that you could pass on that path easily, no? You don't need to stay away. At least what you're gonna do is to move forward on that situations, or on if you're into that problem. Do not run, face it, it says here. Face it. At least you are moving forward to your goal. If you are gonna sneak out and run away, because you have the opportunity to run away, because this is open from the past, you're gonna be stuck. Okay, does it make sense? Okay, as you could see here, remember, no, in all of this essence, this is exciting new potential. This is very much alive in your present. There are tangible difficulties that need to be addressed or navigate before this new path can fully open up, no? But remember, so what path that you need to open up? This one, no? This one is about to close. Parang there's just a little, oh. So just space it, okay? Accept it. Enjoy that journey actually. No, because the new path will arise, because your path is already made here. You have already the path that the spirit guide prepared to you. So remember, this is an interpretations based on what I've seen here, no? And the symbolic meaning here is really associated with the shape here, and with the message, with my intuitions that I've been seeing here, just like a woman, which is, let's say, is just giving birth, that is a new beginning, no? But overall, you're in a journey of reaching your goal, no? Reaching your goal. And the most powerful insight will always be, actually, is you need to have trust on yourself and get something to what you've experienced way back before, because you've been just like a woman who's about to giving birth, means you undergo that hardship to give birth, no? You might be experienced that for how many years, that hardship. And what's next with the hardship? I've been telling you na hardship, and then you're gonna have a good life. Okay, so I'm gonna give you another message. Okay, an angel guidance for you. Angel guidance, great guide. Let's ask more. So this is a timeless reading. Whenever you find this video, it's meant for you. Okay, so let's ask some archangel guidance for you. Angel guidance for the collective spirit guide. Brilliant idea. I told you this pertaining about what you've been thinking. Maybe you've been a hardship. You want to grow now. That is a brilliant idea. That idea was given to you way back before, and it's about to burst. Ayan. So Archangel Uriel, yes, your idea is divinely guided. That's what I've been saying. Haven't you goosebump here with what we have in coffee reading, no? So yes, your idea is divinely guided. Please take an actions to bring your idea into fruition. These actions is just, you need to face them. Do not scared. Have self-confidence and remember who you are, where you are being originated with. Okay? You are about to fly high, says here. So that is your success. You're gonna have some victory in this, no? Ayan. Brilliant idea. It's very clear. So you might want to add a prayer to help guide you in this journey, because maybe the spirit guys thinking that you're backing up because you're feel, no, you're not doing it alone, you are divinely guided here, no? So enjoy that journey because you're gonna have something for that. Okay, so I hope you like our reading. So I told you this is a timeless reading. Whenever you find this video, this reading is meant for you, and I wish you enjoy it and you got some enlightenment. And I'm inviting you to join our live stream also, where you could have a chance to ask questions and know your current situations. You can have some enlightenment, no? And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Thank you so much, and I love you, and God bless you.